Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. In today's video, I'm feeling a little bit off, so I decided to look a little different. I put on red hair, which looks normally cute. For some reason it doesn't look great today. I don't feel that great. And then I have the new ColourPop like tint lipstick on, which is not matte, it's like glossy, so I'm a little bit weirded out by that too. And I'm trying a new kind of like light style of lashes. Let me know what you think of this overall look today. And today we're doing a double makeup box unboxing. So I have two boxes here to unbox for you. We have the Kinder Beauty box for July 2019. This one has a little bit more weight than usual. This is a vegan subscription box that is monthly, and everything in here is cruelty-free and vegan products. We also have this new one I've never tried before. Apparently this month is like a $205 value, so we're going to open this one up. This is the Live Beauty box. It's an every other month subscription service for $36 with a $205 value, so we're going to see how this one is as well. So we have a monthly vegan one and a bi-monthly regular one. So let's go ahead and get into the video. As you can see, like today's just not, it's not clicking. I don't know. Alright guys, so let's start off with the Kinder Beauty box for this month. This one has more weight than normal. And I can kind of smell like peppermint a little bit. A little bit peppermint. So this is the card for it, and then this is what the inside of the box looks like. There's a lot of products. They always leave paper in here, and the box is made of recyclable materials. So this tells you everything that's in the box as well as the retail price. So we'll also leave the retail prices of all these items on the screen for you today. I keep hitting my umbrella lights with stuff today. I don't know what's going on. But let's go ahead and get started. So this first thing is Dr. Botanicals, which I believe we've gotten in a Kinder Beauty box before. This is which is a pomegranate superfruit regenerating sleeping mask. I tend to get a lot of skincare products in the Kinder Beauty box, which is great because vegan skincare is really good for people like me who have sensitive skin. This is what the regenerative mask looks like. It's really cute and there's a decent amount of product in here. So in here you get 1.01 fluid ounces. So a decent amount of product actually. It's a pretty good amount of products. Okay, so let's see what this retails for. This retails for $17.99. Next up in here is a lipstick, it looks like. So this is Matte Manipulation Fully Fire Creamy Matte Lipstick. I don't know what brand this is by. It's in the shade Full House. So this is the lipstick packaging. It's in the shade Full House. So let's go ahead and take a sneaky peeky at it. Ooh, this packaging's cute. Look how cute. I like the slid. Okay, so here's the little symbol on the top. That's pretty cute. And then this is, oh, it's broken. Ah! Yeah, what the hell happened to this? It's like there's like a nub in there. This is the lipstick color. It went in a cave. It went kind of concave when it broke out. So I can't really put it back in here, but I'm gonna try. Smush you back in there. Made a mess. Can't use this, and I dropped it all over my filming table and made a mess. But this is the lipstick. This lipstick retails for $15, and it is from the, it's follyfire.com. So it's Follyfire is the brand, not Fully. It's just a weird font they chose. Alright, that's this. Kind of sucks that it's broken, but I don't really wear stick lipsticks, so I don't know how much I'm wasting here. Alright, so next up in here is Sensual's Sleep Well 100% Natural Pillow and Room Mist. I've heard good things about this. As someone who has insomnia and has looked up a lot of things to make you go to sleep, I've heard of these. I don't really think I believe in them too much. Maybe it's like a soothingness to go on your pillow to make you go to sleep, but it smells like something I can't put my hand on. It smells like essential oils for sure, but like, I don't know if I consider that a peaceful smell. Again, smells like a Soho. Like most of the things that I smell that are vegan skincare smell like Soho. I don't know. Alright, next up in here, only thing about the Kinder Beauty box, I love Kinder Beauty box. They're super nice people, and like I love the vegan products in here. The paper gets everything kind of dusty, which is not a big deal. You can wipe it off. This is a Timeless Organic Skincare Age-Defying Lotion. It is 2 ounces of product in here, and I don't know what brand it's from. I think it's Timeless Organics. Clearly Timeless Organics. What's wrong with me today? This is what it looks like. It's just a little dusty, and I'm gonna smell it. I mean, there's a seal on it, but it has a little bit of a minty smell. It doesn't really have too much of a smell at all, honestly, but we have this little thing in here. And then lastly in the box, ooh, we have a Zion Health, which I've heard great things about this brand. Honestly, people really talk about their products a lot. This is a natural mint flavor, clay bright white natural toothpaste, whitens teeth, heals gums, controls cavities, and eliminates bad breath. Healthy for children. What does healthy for children mean? Is it not healthy for adults? Helps prevent stuff and bleeding gums with green tea extract. So I'm one of those people who has extras of everything. Like, I stock up on things, or if I see a good deal, like, oh, I'll use this eventually kind of person. I'm that person. So I have like a huge big old box of like extra things, like extra shampoos, extra deodorants, extra toothpastes, extra toothbrushes, all that stuff. So this is definitely going in that container for me because I like natural toothpaste. I use vegan toothpaste as it is. I use the charcoal Hello one, and then I use a normal non-charcoal one in the morning to get any residue off the charcoal off my teeth if there is any after I like rinse and everything. So I use vegan toothpaste as it is. So I'm open to trying this one as well, especially from Zion Health, who I've heard really great things. I think it's about their deodorants. So let's go over everything we got in the Kinder Beauty box this month. We got the full-size natural toothpaste. We have this skincare age-defying lotion. We have a superfood sleeping mask, a lipstick which came broken, really sucks because this is the makeup-y thing in the box, and then we have a room pillow mist. So overall, pretty good month for Kinder Beauty box. I think a lot of these things are a little bit different than you would see in a regular, like a BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I think some of these things are a little more unique than you would see in those things. I do wish the lipstick wasn't broken, and maybe one less skincare thing, maybe one more makeup-y thing, but overall pretty good month for Kinder Beauty box. And also I feel like their products they're getting better brands as they go along, which is really awesome. So let's dive into the LivBeauty bag thing. I know I'm really bad at this, but I didn't really look into this too much before I got it. So personally, I hate when bags are like wrapped up and rolled over each other. Like, sometimes I feel like you have to, but I'm not the biggest fan of that kind of packaging. And now it's in here. So let's go ahead and get into it. There's a huge thing here. This isn't every other month again. Ooh, this is enormous. This is a Pierre Precious Diamonds Hydra Surge Rich Body Butter. This is huge. Huh, look at this pretty design on the top. That's so pretty. I have to smell this. Please do not be a steal. I mean, things should be sealed, but like, I want to smell it. It smells just clean. It just has a clean smell. But this is the Pierre Precious Diamonds Rich Body Butter. That's really cool. I love this full-size product in here. Let me see if there's a card in here to tell me the prices of these things. Just tells me the retail price is $205, and this month's thing is Tropical Paradise. I'm not sure this has to do with Tropical Paradise. I guess it is a body butter, but this is the first thing. It's full size, really big. So overall, happy with this first thing. That's really cool. We don't usually get body butters. Next in here is a box. This is a Zatchel Solar Mineral Sunscreen. Okay, this is like a Tropical Paradise, like skincare, kind of like, ooh, take care of your body, butter, lotion up, sunscreen it up kind of thing. So this is an Aragon and Moringa vitamin rich moisturizing formula, and it's fragrance free with SPF 30 in here. Personally, I use SPF 100 if I remember to put on sunscreen, which is very rare. I'm very irresponsible. But let's go ahead and open this up. This is cute! I love this packaging. This is so cute. I love this kind of packaging. I hate the squeezy tubes. Like, I have to use that, but here we go. And then I feel like the spray, sometimes I don't get everything, but this is the Zatchel Solar Mineral Sunscreen with SPF 30. Most people probably only need like an SPF 30. My skin is too sensitive. I need more, but this is really cute. Next product in here, maybe it'll be another tropical thingy. Ooh, what is this? What is that? Oh, it's a baggie. So this is from Mirabella. Lips without lipstick are like cake without frosting. XOXO. Yes, but sometimes I prefer cake without the frosting. Like, I just want the cake part. So this is a little makeup bag. It's pretty cute. I like the little saying on top. Ooh, that's one of those super smooth, satisfying, like zippery things, like a Ziploc bag. But it's like super smooth. I love. This is great. Okay. So in here we have, oh, it's a lip mask in here. So, come on, be friends. Let's do this. Be friends. We have a little lip mask. Just in there, there's no like name on or anything. It could be for anybody. There's a little card in here that tells you what's in here as well. And then we have a mini lip liner, a mini gloss, and a stick lipstick. So here's what's inside the little baggie. Let's see the stick lipstick, see if it's broken. No, it's not. This is the color. It's a pretty average, kind of safe color to put in here. Pretty cute. And then we have a little mini lip gloss and a mini lip liner to go with it, and a lip mask. So overall, it's like a cute little lip kit in this bag. I think that's pretty adorable. It's just a really satisfying zipper. Like, it's so smooth. So smooth. But let's move on to the next thing in the bag. Alright, so next up in here's another box. What is this? This is a Pure Cosmetics, but not P-U-R. It's P-U-R-E. Like, pure, not pure. This is the Picture Perfect HD Powder. I have never heard of Pure with an E before. I think it's kind of risky considering we have a Pure Cosmetics. It's just P-U-R. Let's get it open somehow. I'm opening everything from the bottom today. What's up with that? But this is their Picture Perfect HD Powder. Okay. Cute. It's a big container though, doesn't look like that much product. So this is the container. You get a decent amount of powder in here, right? But it's only this part. Like this part right here, this little middle part. And then this looks like container. So open it up, we have a mirror. You can see yourself. Hello. A little puffy puff. And then down here is the powder. And it's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed. But like, it's a lot of packaging. It's a really, really thick thing for not too much powder. How much powder is in here? 0.530 ounces or 15 grams of product. So it's like an okay amount of product, but it is really thick. But then again, you do get like the powder puff and like a good like sifter between. Overall, decent product to get in a beauty box. Like, I am all about a powder. I feel like we get so many like similar things that in this box, or this bag, we're getting a lot of different things. So I'm into that because it's not just like generic stuff we usually see, like a ton of eyeliners or a ton of cleansers. So it appears to be two things in here now. This is from Laurent, which I just tried their jelly highlighter in the BoxyCharm and I like live for it. So hopefully this is something good too. This is in the shade Rose All Day. I don't know what this is. It's kind of messy on the inside of the box, so I'm hoping it's not broken. But this is a Laurent blush. Ooh, it's not broken. Ooh, I was thinking it was broken because it was like, oh, it's all messy in here. But this is the blush color and it's really cute. I'm going to totally use this. This is a really cute, so I'm going to swatch it because I'm going to keep it. This is what the swatch looks like. Let's put it on the back of my hand. Okay, it doesn't really swatch that well, but when you pick it up on the brush, like you can keep adding more to it. It's very pinky. That is so cute. So this is the Laurent brush. This is my favorite thing in the box so far, just because I will actually use it and it's makeup-y. And then I think there's one thing in here. Yeah, there's one thing. This is it in here. This is from Moira Cosmetics, and I've tried several of Moira Cosmetics things now. This is a Scandalised Metallic Duo in Salsa versus Meringue. So I believe this is like a liquid eyeshadow duo, probably. Okay, so this is it. This is the Metallic Eye Duo. It is 2 metallic liquid eyeshadows. Never mind the lipstick on my hand from that broken lipstick earlier. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty cute duo. Not the most revolutionary colors in the world, to be honest, but it is safe colors that I think a lot of people would use, and this color looks really pretty. So let's go over everything we got in this LivBeautyBox. I'm sorry if I'm saying the name wrong. Is it LivBeautyBox? It is LivBeautyBox. So we have this little duo from Moira Cosmetics, which is really cute. We have a pure full-size HD setting powder, really good, with a big old body butter from Pierre, which is an expensive brand on its own. We have a Laurent little mini blush, which is like, this is my favorite thing. I know there's a lot of other good stuff in here, like the setting powder I should be excited about, the body butter I should be excited about, but like, I like a cute blush, and it's really pinky. We have a little lip, I'm gonna call it a lip kit, a little makeup bag with some lip, like, kit in there, and a full-sized sunscreen. So overall, I'm really happy with this box. I think this one's really cool. I feel like because it's every other month and it is a little more expensive, like it makes it a little more affordable. But overall, these products are really good, and I would totally pay $36 for this, especially for like these 3 things in particular. It's probably worth the value, and then you still get 3 more things on top of that. So overall, this box is really good. I'm very excited about it. I think I like this one more than the Kinder Beauty box this month, just because I have a lot of skincare right now, but the Kinder Beauty box is still really good. So overall, let me know what you think in the comment section down below of both of these boxes. Which one is your favorite? Which one would you get more use out of? And do you think they're worth the price? And down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you're not subscribed already, I'd love to have you here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Hi guys, I'm stupid. There is also a toothbrush in the Kinder Beauty box. Just blended in with the side of the box. I didn't see it, but there's also a toothbrush with your toothpaste in the Kinder Beauty box, so that's really good too.